So the Worx Landroid robotic mower, if you haven't seen my video to do with the actual machine itself, then I suggest you watch that. I highly recommend them. Now I'm going to fit the ACS in my next video, but before I fit the ACS, I thought I'd do the one bit of maintenance that you have to do. So they're pretty maintenance free, you just sort of plug them in and leave them to do their own things. But because they don't have a big blade like the older style mowers, they use like a razor blade type of cut-in area. So I just hold this up here, so you have these razor blades here. Then they do need to be changed probably a bit more often than you'd be used to in changing the blade on a normal mower. So I'm going to do that now. So first off, safety, always remove the battery. I'll just turn this over. Just going to put that down, and that down to protect it. So obviously quite easy to do. So if this looks different to your Landroid, this might be because it's the later Plus model. So I'll just get the screwdriver in. So this has a floating deck. Now you see, there's one of the floating blades. So I've got a new set of blades. Easy to find on Amazon. I'll put a link to those. So these ones are titanium. As you can see, these old ones quite blunt actually now compared to the new ones. Fit the new screws as well. So as you can see, they still float around, and we'll move on to the next one. So I won't bother showing you me unscrew all of them. Obviously be careful with the blades because they are sharp. So you may be wondering why the blades I'm putting in have two holes and the ones I'm removing only have the one. Well, that's supposed to be so you can actually change the blade round and use the other side. But judging by the state of these blades that I'm taking off, I probably won't be doing that. I'll just swap them for some new blades. So 3 blades changed, ready for another season of mowing.